All right, you guys, I am so excited. I have been making soap for almost 15 years, and this is my very first multi-bar cutter. I'm so excited. So I got it from GOODSPEED soap cutters. The guy's name is Alexander. He's from St. Petersburg, Russia. So this came all the way from Russia to me here in Tennessee. And let's unbox this bad boy. I'm so excited. And I got a custom color because I love that 1940s sort of teal aqua blue. It's the color of my stick blender here, and my house accents are in that color. I'm just sort of obsessed with that 1940s aqua. So, oh my golly, I'm so excited. I just can't even, I can't, oh my goodness, he even tied a little bow on it. Oh, look at that. My new baby. Kind of feel like Smeagol, precious. All right, let me get it out of here. And I actually have some soaps to cut. I was gonna cut them earlier today, and I watched the tracking, and I'm like, no, I'm gonna wait, and I'm gonna cut them on my new multi-bar cutter. Let's see if I can get this out here. He packs it really well, let me say that. This came across the ocean, and it is packed beautifully. Here, I'm gonna go like this. Okay, get the box out of the way. Ooh, check this out. I'm sorry, segue off. He packed it in newspaper, but it's in Russia. How cool is that? Can't read it, but anyway. Oh, look at that beautiful color, you guys. And he put a little bow on it for me. Oh my word. This is so cool. Okay, and I got an extra string. That's really nice. Oh, you guys, this is gorgeous. And it has a little bit of shimmer on it. He asked me if I wanted shimmer, and this has like a, you can barely see just a little bit of glitter. It is the perfect color. Oh my word, I cannot wait to use this. All right, now I'm gonna have to go get my soap loaves, and let's give this a run. Anyway, thank you, Alexander. And it's heavy, you guys. This is quality. This is very heavy. So here is his logo. He's on Instagram and Etsy. Check him out, man. This is awesome. And this is really heavy. I don't know how much this weighs, maybe 5-6 pounds. Very sturdy. Oh, she's pretty. Loving it. Love, love, love. Happy, happy, happy. All right, so I feel like I'm playing an instrument. There, obviously the strings are loose on here, so I'm having to go through and tighten up all the strings. Here. I love that it came pre-strung. All the strings are in here. So I just wanted to be nice and tight when I do my first cut. Oh my word, you guys, I am so happy. I can't even. Used it before. So literally, I'm going to put this loaf in, and this is going to be my very first cut with this cutter ever. So you guys are with me for the first time. I have never used a multi-bar cutter before, so this is it. So excited. So I had to come along and tighten up these. All right. Kind of like playing a musical instrument. So, oh yeah, now I see why people, I've always wondered when people with multi-bar cutters have to push so hard. It is really tough, but I have a good firm soap recipe. Oh, wow. Okay, my goodness. That was so easy. All right, these are all cut. Let's see. Ooh, pretty. Oh, that hanger swirl. I love it. Oh, here we go. And you know I love this when this happens. Check that out. Isn't that beautiful?